Welcome to using keyword analysis of an organization's big data for error and fraud detection, presented jointly by AuditNet and Cash Recovery Partners. My name is Jim Kaplan, the founder and owner of AuditNet, an internet-based website and the global resource for auditors. I would like to share with you how this event came about, but before I do that, let me tell you a little about myself and AuditNet. As a certified internal auditor and certified fraud examiner, I've been actively involved in the profession as a volunteer, practitioner, and a trainer. My contributions have earned recognition from professional associations through Lifetime Achievement Awards. Throughout my career, technology has been a factor from the early days of personal computers to bulletin boards and online services, and then to the internet and finally the World Wide Web. I've shared my vision with hundreds of thousands of auditors around the world. AuditNet was founded in 1994 as an online communication and resource sharing tool for auditors. The content now includes more than 2,300 audit templates available to auditors in 221 countries on 5 continents. It truly is a global resource for auditors. AuditNet is available on the web as well as via apps for iOS, Android, and Windows tablets and mobile devices. AuditNet's mission is to be an invaluable resource to the global audit community for networking, idea exchange, and collaboration in the spirit of helping auditors to be the best that they can be. AuditNet helps auditors to reduce the amount of time spent conducting accounting and auditing research by providing templates and tools that stimulate thought in planning and performing audits. It also helps auditors keep up to date on audit tools and technology through surveys and research. Finally, learning audit software from training from NASBA-approved sponsors and free videos by collaborating with a network of valued professionals and subject matter experts is another goal of AuditNet. I'd like to share with you how the survey in this event came about by providing brief comments on the technology, the survey design development, and the tools and technology you will see today. Fraud and technology have intersected in a way that few could have imagined. Terms like keyword analytics, fraud triangle analytics, predictive coding are all now part of the lexicon, and they all refer to using technology to review large volumes of data for specific purposes. Over 5 years ago, academic researchers, along with professional service firms and the ACFE, collaborated in the development of fraud triangle analytics. This initiative moved the bar by linking electronic communications to the fraud triangle through the development of libraries of specific keywords that relate to pressure, opportunity, and rationalization. In 2013, one of the Big Four collaborated with the FBI and pinpointed common phrases and words used by wrongdoers. Together, they identified more than 3,000 terms using specialist anti-fraud software which monitors suspect conversations. AuditNet searched for this list of keywords and phrases in order to help other professionals detect and deter fraud. Unfortunately, the list was not publicly available. AuditNet decided to reach out to their network of subject matter experts to seek help in launching a survey and keyword analytic training for auditors, accountants, and other compliance professionals. Rich Lanza, a data analytics guru, teamed with Steve Valance and AuditNet to develop their own survey to gather keywords and phrases that other professionals use when querying their company's financial and unstructured data. In a collaboration effort, the survey was distributed to the AuditNet community, social media websites, and vendors. The project team developed a comprehensive list of keywords and phrases, as well as tools which auditors and other professionals can easily use to search data for fraud and compliance red flags. Survey responses provided us with over 2,500 unique words and phrases, as well as an insight into how auditors are using technology for this area. We will share the results of the survey during the webinar. The presenters will provide you with strategies and techniques for using data analytics for querying unstructured data. During the survey, our presenters, who are subject matter experts, worked with vendors and software applications to create tools and aids for facilitating these types of technology searches. As you can see, we tried to include the major stakeholder tools that are used by the majority of auditors. So what's next? The pace of technology adoption is speeding up, and we expect that new tools and applications will surface. Accordingly, this will be an ongoing project with annual follow-on surveys, and we will conduct periodic webinars to fine-tune the tools and the list of words. When auditors adapt the approaches and methodologies from this project, it will establish proactive fraud detection analytics on the forefront of confronting the age-old problem of occupational fraud, how to detect it, and minimize the impact on the organization. Our goal is to move the bar on the data analytic maturity curve so that more professionals adapt this valuable technology. These next slides cover the housekeeping and disclaimers for today's event. As these slides were sent to you earlier, I will only mention that we are recording this webinar, and in accordance with NASBA rules, you must answer all the polling questions during the live event to receive your official CPE certificate. We cannot provide CPE for viewing the recording. Please review both the housekeeping and disclaimer slides. Thank you for your time and support. I trust you will find the results of our survey, the tools in this training, help in your efforts to leverage audit technology. Let me now turn the floor over to our presenters so that they can give you the information that you need to work with this material. Thank you very much.